I showed you the BioLite barbecue before doing sausages, so this time I'm going to do sausages on the cook air. My opinion, bigger surface area, faster cook time, cleaner burning. Yeah, you'll see. Okay, hardwood chunks, get them at Home Depot, Hardware, Home Hardware, Canadian Tire. These are pecan, but it doesn't matter. You could use ash. If you have some chunks of ash, you slice them up with a chainsaw before you go camping or whatever. This is my power supply. You can plug it into the house power, 120, or you can do 12 volts. So I have an adapter for both. It comes with the cook air. So we're going to use this 12 volt outlet. And let's get started. So the cook air has a lid. You can use it as a smoker, but I wouldn't because it's super hot. It's a good storage lid. Very heavy duty. There's the controls. Underneath the lid, it's my storage for my brush, my grill removing tool, which works great. Click around the edge and lift up like a pie serving tool. That's how it works. It's pretty neat. I've used this on all my camping trips except for, well, all my car camping trips, travel trailer trips. So here's the 120 volt adapter, 120 to 12 volt. And here's my 12 volt adapter. This is the one we're going to use here. It's the car. You can plug it into the trailer, into the 12 volt outlet, or, you know, my box, or cigarette lighter. Works. Alright, and it's very simple, straightforward to use this sucker. The wire plugs in on the back, controls are on the front. There's also a switch on the back just to turn it off, but you leave it on and until it's cold, basically. So we'll put this down here. There's the burn chamber, stainless steel. There's holes in the bottom for letting the air up, and holes around the edge for that secondary burn. Just the only smoke you get is from the burgers or the sausage or whatever you're cooking. And it's been, gosh, it's probably been a year since I've used it, so there's a little bit of surface rust on here, but that'll go away quite quickly. Okay, I'll be back in a second when I get the power hooked up. Okay, I'll light this puppy up. One rolled up piece of newspaper. Two chunks of wood. The pecan. I'll do a couple little pieces here. That's it. Okay. I can get my lighter down in there. Alrighty. Use my Explorer electronic lighter. Turn this on. Number one. Okay, number one. Easy to light, people. Turn her up to number two. So we've got some flame there, so we're all right. There she goes, the wood's on fire. Right. Five. That's it, just like that. Ooh, nice even heat already. Alright, let's get the sausages on. So you know the beauty of this barbecue is there's no hot spots on the ground. It's perfectly cold. You can put it on a picnic table. You don't have to worry about it burning. Picnic table. I think I'm going to turn it down. It's a little bit hot. The fan sounds a little bit rough today. It's because I haven't used it for a while. Put these sausages on the outside. See how hot this sucker is? Isn't that beautiful? Fast. When you're camping and you want to go do something and you just don't have time to wait for the barbecue to warm up or whatever, this is the barbecue to get. I mean, it lights so easy. Way easier than anything I've ever used. And you get the natural smoke flavor. Beautiful. We'll wait for these to split open and then they'll be done. Take them inside. I think these look like they're there's cheese stuffed in these sausages. So they'll be good. Right? So I've moved over a bit around my fire. It seems like the smoke wants to chase me down. And the I Love Bunny Farts isn't working. So I was going to talk about the build quality of this thing. This lid here, it probably weighs 10 pounds. And it's enamel coated. Really heavy duty, same as the bottom down here. The stand is plastic, where the controls are. But all the rest of it's metal. It's quite heavy. And if you saw one piece of newspaper, that's all it took to light it. So impressed. Okay, time to flip these. They're starting to crack. Look at those. Aren't they nice? Just beautiful. Sorry, my camera skills aren't the best when I'm even the best of times, but when I'm cooking with one hand. So the center of this thing is very hot. That's why I'm keeping the sausages out to the outside. But when you get 12 burgers on here, or, well, 8 to 10 burgers, easily cook in the center, no problem. You know, even the grate, it's quite easy to clean. But for the most part, it is clean because it burns itself off. It burns all the grease and the ash. I have my little scrubby here. I just use a scrub brush just to loosen off the stuff that's stuck on, and I tip it over and dump it out. Basically ash. Works great. Now I believe I bought this at Lowe's in Canada. So guess this is a little bit slow, this part of cooking, but hey, some guys like to watch the cooking process. So it's not like the smoker where you have to put the lid down. This is a barbecue, just like a hibachi, and you can watch, just like a boiling pot of water when you get the boiling bag dinners. You can watch those boil. Anyways, look at these sausages. And it's been, well, might be pushing 10 minutes since I got the stuff out and started cooking. 10 minutes. I mean, as long as you have the hardwood chunks. That's what cooking's all about. It's the next best thing to an open fire and way easier. Easy cleanup. No mess on the ground. You still get smoke in your eyes, so that's pretty good. Not really, but anyways, yeah, these are just about done. The beautiful crack there. Look at that. The cheese is coming out. Oh, nice. A little blistering on the outside. They're not burnt. My kids hate it when I burn food. This one here is the darkest as it gets, and it's mostly just from smoke. The thing about this, it's got such even heat. Underneath this grill grate, there's an upside down, like a parabolic dish, like a part of a parabolic dish, and it forces the heat to go out to the sides. That's why it cooks so evenly. Great design. Now, the lid is over there, but this is what it comes with as a packing to keep the rain off and whatnot. So you just pull this strap at the bottom to tighten it up around the ring right here, and that's how you lift it up. Now the handle broke just like 3 weeks ago when I was moving it around, so I had to do some Gorilla Tape on it. But aside from that, not bad. It could use a strap that goes underneath maybe. No, we're still cooking. The cheese. Oh, look at that. She's a beauty. Flip these. I'm going to say 80% complete. Cheese coming out of that one. So, you can't put this away hot. You have to let it burn out. Now, when it was first new, it turns itself off when it's not hot anymore. For some reason it doesn't do that anymore. but I leave it for 10-15 minutes and it burns itself out, and then I can put the cover away and do my little cleanup, and I'm good to go. So very easy to clean up. Weighs about maybe 20, I think maybe 28 pounds if I'm not mistaken. So it's great for car camping. You can't obviously portage this or, you know, carry it in a backpack or whatever. I guess you could portage it if you had a battery and you really want to be like Paul Bunyan, but not for me. Car camping only, or trailer camping. So, doing 7 minutes on this segment here. This cooking segment, I may cut it out just to make it a little shorter. But for all intents and purposes, it's done. It'll split there. Split there. All split there. Just beautiful. Oh, look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. That's perfect. You wouldn't want it anymore. Just gotta flip that one over again. I'm gonna leave it. Leave it right there in the center. I think I have lots of wood left still too. I'm gonna get my lifter. I'm on one, so I'm free to lift it. Okay. My left hand goes in here. Oh yeah, look at that. Still a big chunk left. Lots of energy left. Alright. And I'd say these are done. So thanks for watching. This is my Cook Air grill barbecue. It's a modern day hibachi with a fan, just like the BioLite. And frankly, you know, I've used them both. I really like this one better than the BioLite. Of course, you can't use this as a fire pit, but it does a great barbecuing job. So my sausages are done. I'm burning off the grill. Nice and hot. Level 5. Once again, I use my Explorer electronic lighter. Weber chunks of hardwood. These ones are from Canadian Tire. And that's it. One piece of paper to light it. Alright, thank you very much. Bye.